Thank you for calling the LaPorte County Government. For county clerks, press 1. For clerks, press 2. For Superior 1 or 2 clerk, press I'm afraid all of the operators are busy at the moment. Please hold, and you'll be transferred when somebody becomes available. I'm afraid all of the operators are busy at the moment. But please hold, and you'll be transferred when somebody becomes available. I'm afraid all of the operators are busy at the moment. But please hold, and you'll be transferred when somebody becomes available. I'm afraid all of the operators are busy at the moment. But please hold, and you'll be transferred when somebody becomes available. I'm afraid all of the operators are busy at the moment. But please hold, and you'll be transferred when somebody becomes available. Clerk's office, may I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Chris Mask, who I'm speaking with.
This is Vicki.
Hello, Vicki. I am trying to find out what procedure governs a complaint process or the initiation of some sort of disciplinary investigatory action against the clerk's office. Or is there a form, a complaint form that sort of outlines this information? Maybe a website one could refer me to. Anyway, I'd like to file a complaint against the clerk's office, and I believe that you guys would at least be obligated to tell me what that complaint process is.
Well, all I can tell you is it's an elected official.
Okay.
It might be something in the IC code. I don't have that code at hand.
The Indiana Code?
Yes.
That's quite broad. There's a lot of Indiana Code.
Yes, but it would be...
Like literally thousands and thousands of statutes.
Yes, I know.
Now, is there...
But the only thing I can tell you is that you can go into the IC code and then be specific as far as disciplinary action against the clerk or something on that order.
That kind of sounds like searching for a needle in a haystack.
Well, sometimes you have to do that to find out what you want to know.
So there's nobody in that clerk's office is familiar with a complaint process that could be initiated against you if you make a mistake that's big enough?
Not that I know of.
Because I imagine, Vicki, you sound like you may work in the clerk's office. Do you ever worry about getting in trouble?
No, I do not.
You don't find that...
I do my job to the best of my ability.
Right. Well, what if you do your job incorrectly? Shouldn't somebody... I mean, you have a pretty important...
Yes, if I do my job incorrectly, it's either up to the clerk or the judge.
So a citizen...
Tell me that I did something wrong.
How do they find out?
Those are the only two.
How do they find out if you did something wrong? They just have to notice it themselves, or they have to wait for some citizen to go to law school and figure out how to file a complaint? Or, like, are there things that you're not allowed to do?
There's usually enough check and balances between the offices that somebody will come across it, yes.
Actually, it's strange that you say that, because the clerk's office is sort of like symbolic of checks and balances. It's literally supposed to be like an independent entity from the courts and the prosecutor's office.
We keep the court's record, sir.
Right.
It's kind of hard not to be associated with them.
Now, it would sound like that there's a procedure that a judge could respond to if somebody initiated it, based upon what you said. But you're not sure what that procedure is?
Yeah, he comes down and yells at us. That's what he does.
How do I get the judge to come down and yell at you guys? Is there a form for that?
Not that I know of.
'Cause I've never seen a motion for, like, motion to request the judge go downstairs and yell at the clerks. So I was just wondering, typically there's some sort of more formal designation for something of that nature.
You're acting as your own attorney, therefore it is up to you to research what
No.
process you
See,
need
I don't
to
write
do.
the rules,
I
though.
have other things to do.
So, is there anybody
very much.
available in that office that does have the answer to my question? No? Another hang up? Okay.